Good morning and welcome back to Travels with Bert. As you can see, we've taken a bit of a detour from our touring around Songkhla and we've flown overnight to India and we're now sitting in front of the Taj Mahal. No, we didn't fool you, did we? This is actually the central Mosque of Songkhla. So it's designed in the same style as the Taj Mahal, complete with the reflecting pool. But this was finished in 2001. Whereas the Taj Mahal was finished in 1653, a bit of a difference there. And that actually is the only useful piece of information I managed to get out of Siri. Normally when I ask her something, she says, "Here's what I found on the web." Yeah, well, I don't want to know what you found on the web, because I can find that on the web too. But in this case, I said, "When was the Taj Mahal constructed?" And she said it was finished in 1653, so now you know. Okay, so you can take a look at some of the upstairs views. Well, Bert and I just go back to the main building and then we'll take a look inside. But I won't talk because it is a religious building and it's semi-attractive inside. It's definitely worth seeing. So we'll head down there now. Well, it's an impressive building, I hope you'll agree. I hope you enjoyed it, whatever your faith. And for now, it's goodbye for Bert and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.